Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to add background video overlay in Squarespace. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to animate. So I'm going to editing this page and I'm clicking on add section and simply selecting this section. I'm clicking on this pencil icon and selecting background and selecting video, and I'll click on add a video, and you can upload from your PC, but right now I'm going to adding from link. So I'm pasting my YouTube video link here. So here you can see the video has been added to my background, and now let's see how to add overlay. So scroll down and here you'll find this filter option. So click on this filter drop down and select opacity, and now you can increase or decrease your video background overlay opacity. So this is how we can add video overlay in Squarespace. If you think to see more Squarespace videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to How to Animate. Thank you for watching.